Union Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting and Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries, Dr.L. Murugan arrived in Meghalaya for a two-day visit. On day one of his visit, the minister interacted with beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana at Maulandeb in Ribhoi district. The beneficiaries were thankful for the river ranching project launched under PMMSY that has enabled them to upgrade from the traditional fishing practices and to ensure sustainability in fishing. Dr. Murugan then visited the Meghalaya State Fisheries Research and Training Institute, where he explained the potential in the sector unlocked by the central government schemes to the trainees. He explained how the union government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is seeking to make the idea of blue revolution a reality, and stated how in the past 8 years a total of 32,000 crores has been invested in the fisheries sector.